Hi everyone, let's create a flipbook for free and impress everyone. Ready? Let's delve into it, easy and quickly. So, first let's go to Canva. You can sign up with your Google account. Once there, you can go to Apps and choose Isuu. Let's see what it can do. Hey, look at this. I love it, don't you? So this is what we are aiming at. So, moving on. You have to sign up to Isuu as well and choose the free plan. Then answer just a couple of questions really quickly. You can take the tour or move on. We're in. Okay, let's start the magic. You can upload a file here or connect to Canva. Let's go with the second option and then choose the file in Canva we're turning into a flipbook. Make your choices, it's very intuitive. Here is the result. Wow, right? Incredible. I love this. I know I'm always very excited about the results, but I think they're so pretty amazing that I can't help it. Sorry, I'm really excited about this. Okay, so hope you are too. Check it out. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools out there. So, bye-bye.